I've seen so many inspirational people, met so many people, networking, engaging. The master classes, the events has inspired me, to do more and also to think strategically about my project.
Anything that are lasting for 50 years is something to celebrate, and KTP celebrates a community of collaboration spirits. KTP celebrates the innovation within the UK, and we're in the KTP community, everybody's supporting each other.
KTP has obviously made an impact on my life because it has given me exposure to so many industries, so many different technologies, so many different people. It has been so exciting, so rewarding. So yes, it really changed my life and enriched it.
"50 years of KTP, I think, is just testament to what a powerful and what a successful scheme KTP is. The fact that it's really not changed that much over the 50 years, the fact that it's still going strong, I think it's just a testament to the success of the scheme.
Well, I came from doing a PhD where I wasn't really sure what I was going to be doing. KTP gave me clear direction in terms of, here you go, we've got this theory. KTP gave funding to turn it into practice, really taking this sort of academic world and being like, bam, we need to get a usable product from it, which we very much so have.
For me, it's always exciting to see that I am contributing something bigger than myself. But also for the university, it's great because this goes into our impact case studies. We invite people to come to talk to our students. Sometimes we actually recruit our students as well as part of KTP.
I've just been talking to people talking about how well put together the KTP programme is and how it's been a really easy transition for me to be able to go into it. I've been able to work through the whole programme, and it's been able to facilitate that knowledge transfer. So it's 50 years of expertise.
Knowledge transfer partnerships